Hello everyone, today is January 9th, so 2022. Happy New Year. And today we have the problem, gas number higher or lower. Uh, the problem is we are playing the gas game. The game is as follows. I pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. You can call a predefined API, return guess input number, integer number, and which returns three possible results. -1, the number I picked is lower than your guess. Then +1, that means number I picked is higher than your guess. 0, the number I picked is equal to your guess. So return the number that I picked. Example and returns and constraints. It's basically integer and signed integer. No, it's an integer. Signed integer. So pick up from 1 to n. Okay, that's basically the binary search one. So let me try to do the iteration one. Okay. I'm thinking how I declare the variables. That would be the first one guess. Okay, we just need made, and made equals n to n divided by 2, the half n, and while guess call the function made not equal 0, we just in loop. Okay, so I try to get a return for the temp, and the return equals guess made, and we check the return, so we don't need call the function multiple times for one check. Okay, in case if return greater than 0, that means the the number I picked is higher than your guess. So that means made will equals start the n minus made and divide by 2. Okay, I'm thinking in a different case. So in the middle of the binary searching, mm, we can't do. No, in that case we need start and end, two pointers to calculate the made. So made won't work. So okay, made works, but we also need start. Start equals 1. Also the end equals n. So we need made equals start plus end minus start and divide by 2. That's the one we want. Okay, we do this. Okay, made. That means we just need start equals made. Okay, that's what I want. Else, we just need end equals made. Okay, and we just calculate made like this, and we do call this function here again. Okay, so here we just return the made. Okay, let me see. So looks like that's right. Let me try run the example code, the test case. Okay, in that case, my answer is 5 and expected answer is 6. That means here made. How that happened? How that happened? So in that case, I just need a print. Every time to debug. Okay, so let's try run the code again. No printout. Okay, made a here, made a hold on. So return, let me think. So return is 0, that means we bingo, we found. So it's not 0. Okay. We do this. That's easier. No. Okay, and we submit. Okay, it seems that's cost infinity loop. Okay, mate is 1. So that means my code cannot reach the boundary. In that case, I think I just need increase the end by 1. Let me see. We just customize the 2, and run the codes. Okay, and we submit again. Okay, that's overflow. That's overflowed integers. Let me think. So we could do this. Let me think. So we can't simply increase the end by 1 to cause a overflow. Easier way, simpler way, we just change the end to the longer integers. But let me think. Anyway, we could do this. So if I don't do this, okay, and in that case, made if I'm thinking if I could do the +1 to increase the made here, but that's cause we cannot reach the the lower boundary, the bottom. So that maybe cause the issue. Let me double check. So if I do +1 here, and we could run the code here, that definitely we could get the 2, I think. But once we do here, we just check 1. Let me check response. Okay, let me check if that works or not. Okay, that works. Let me try submit. Here we go. Okay, that's mm, mm. That means in some special boundary cases, the span research cannot reach the bottom boundary. That's the issue. Mm-hmm. Let me do a quick way so make sure we have the solution right here. Assigned integer and make sure that's +1, and we don't need here, so and we don't print here to speed up. Let me try submit again. I signed integers, now working. Okay. Oh, let me try long. Line 13. Oh, yeah, long doesn't work. Okay. I'm thinking, is there any other way I could reach the boundaries? So, I try to figure out for the end, I and don't cause the overflow, so I cannot use in the increase by 1, but I thinking if I try to searching the bigger half, so I could set start +1, and if I searching the smaller half, I could do the -1. Let me check if that works. Yeah, finished. That looks good. Let me submit. Oh, that's accepted. Good job. Okay, I beat 100% substance. Good job. So, okay, so let's do the summarize. What I did. So first one, I need 2 pointers start and end to make sure at every binary search we could locate the right sections. We need start and middle. And for some, pick number located at the boundary, whatever the top and the bottom boundaries. we also need to handle that. Basically, on the very beginning, I thought I could do the and plus 1, so mate could search one more up to reach, I would say, the biggest boundary, but that caused the integer overflow. In that case, I'm thinking maybe for the start, when I searching the bigger half, we could do made plus 1, and when I searching the smaller half I could do made minus 1. So that's basically working. And so far I got 100% beat it. So that's 25 test case and cost 0 milliseconds and beat 100% substance used 5.3 megabytes space on January 9th, 2020. Okay, I think that's all for this problem. I figure out and complete acceptable iteration solutions. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for the watching. See you.